Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra and I'm here with a very special guest today.
It's Wendy. Hi everyone.
With Wendy.
With Wendy.
I'm always like, I'm with Wendy. Like with Wendy.
With Wendy.
With Wendy.
Thank you so much to Function of Beauty for sponsoring today's video. I've worked with them before and I'm so excited to be working with them again. And I'm even gifting Wendy some Function of Beauty goodies, but I am going to talk about them a little bit more later on in the video.
Today we're at her extremely beautiful loft in downtown Toronto.
That's so nice.
Now, like I walked in here and I was like, we are making over your bathroom today.
Mm-hmm.
It's very tiny.
Yeah, it is. It's a little one.
You haven't changed anything yet.
No.
It's like as
Most
it was
untouched.
when you moved in.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Saved it for you.
I'm so excited. We have lots of things we're gonna implement today. Color.
Okay.
Your face was
I
like,
was well, it's like pure white right now.
It's pure white. Can you walk the viewers through what you're kind of hoping for this space?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you're gonna get what I've planned.
Yeah.
But let's just hope you're not like, oh, I want a pink wall, because that's not gonna happen.
So everything about it feels a bit sterile. It doesn't have enough personality. And then, I don't know, like a lot of hard surfaces, like you look at it and it doesn't feel super like relaxing or like spa. It just kind of gives you this like, it's a rental.
And you have a very defined color palette. You like sage green, mustard, like dusty, kind of soft colors.
Yeah, I wish I could do punchier things, but I just think like,
It's just not you.
yeah, I just need things to be a little.
Yes. Also, make sure you subscribe to Wendy's channel. She's incredible. She does amazing sewing tutorials, bullet journaling, just like amazing fun things. So go subscribe and let's get started. So Wendy's left the building. I'm in the bathroom and I'm gonna start by taking down the mirror and the lights. A little bit nervous because it could be a disaster back there, but we'll see. And then start painting. This mirror is either gonna come crashing down or my face is like, woo! Now I'm just gonna fill the holes. Okay. Ooh. Okay, that's gotta go. Stand by. So there's a bit of a situation behind the light, a bit of like an indent going into untreated drywall. So I had to use a ton of putty to cover it up. I know it looks like a lot. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then sand it down so it's all level and smooth. In the meantime, I'm going to prep this wall because this is gonna be a beautiful accent wall. It's time to paint, and I chose this beautiful, dusty, sagey, greeny paint color. I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna pour it in. Oh, it's so nice. I always find that green is kind of a hard color to get right. I'm really happy with how this is looking. It has a bit of gray in it, which is nice. First paint stroke. I always hesitate. I'm like, oh yeah. It's so beautiful. It's like neutral, but still you get that pop of color. Okay, so I'm gonna cut in and then start rolling. As you guys can see, these are pretty standard renter bathroom cabinets. I'm gonna jazz them up, do something I've never done before, and use fabric to totally transform these. Easier than paint. Paint can get kind of messy, and somewhat renter friendly because they can be transformed back to this when Wendy moves. So I'm gonna take the cabinet doors off, and then I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna do and take you through the process. I really wanted that to be like super smooth, like didn't work out. Okay. I hate using this thing. Do you just have a regular, oh, it's because never mind. For this DIY, you need your cabinet removed of all its hardware and some beautiful fabric.
We are at a fabric store in Toronto. It's beautiful, and we really want to cover the cabinets with like, it's called a Hessian fabric, so it's like burlap, but has like a tighter weave. This is regular burlap, but you can see the weave is kind of loose, and if we upholster this on her cabinet, the burlap's just gonna go everywhere. It's gonna shed. We've found 2 different linens, and I think we're gonna pick the darker one. But fun fact, there's silks that kind of mimic that burlap kind of texture. We are going to go with a linen instead.
The first thing you wanna do is lay out your fabric. Lie your cabinet face down onto the fabric, leaving a bit of an edge. And then you want to take your fabric scissors and you want to cut around the cabinet. You want to fold it like you're wrapping a present and tuck those uneven edges underneath so you got a nice crisp line. And you want to try and avoid the hardware as much as you can for now. And the key to this is you want to pull it really, really tight before you staple it. So have a friend come help you, and then you just want to staple it in place. Oh yeah. And then we're gonna do some up here, so we need to pull the fabric really tight towards this way. Okay. Nice. Okay, and then you wanna just do that on each side. Tuck your corners so it's nice and neat. And again, pulling it really tight, and then stapling it. Let me do a little slit here. Okay, when you're folding your corners, you also want to make sure you're getting rid of any extra fabric or the cabinet door is going to be hard to close. Cool. Moment of truth. Ta-da! I love it. It's gonna look so, so good. So for the knobs, you wanna go through the back with your screw first. You just wanna pop it in, and then you just want to screw it into the fabric like this. It's like a push pin, you know? And then we're gonna do the same for the other one. And then taking my knob and then using my screwdriver to tighten the whole thing. I need my screwdriver. I also want to mention that we recreated this idea from a picture on Pinterest. Wendy loves like natural fibers and textures and colors, so we thought that this would be perfect for her bathroom, and I love how we've recreated it. So now for the cabinet hardware, I'm just cutting out a little semicircle here, so that this hardware just slips nicely in place. Perfect. Okay, let's get these installed. Cabinets, done. I love them so much. Now you guys might be wondering why I didn't do this side. Couple reasons. There's not enough room to have fabric on this one as well. It wouldn't close. I also really like how it's two-toned. I feel like that's very Wendy's aesthetic. So it's actually kind of like a happy accident that we can't put fabric on this side. I think it would look really great if it was all done in fabric, but I also think this looks good too. And we had to problem solve and make it work, and I think it works.
So we have cabinets, we have paint. It's almost time to add a new light fixture and a mirror. But before that, I wanted to talk about this week's sponsor, Function of Beauty. I'm so excited to be working with them again. This is the only shampoo and conditioner I've been using since they sponsored me last in the fall. This is my second round of shampoo and conditioner. I love Function of Beauty so much because it is 100% customizable hair products. So you take a short 2-minute quiz, you fill out your hair profile, and then you pick your hair goals. So mine this round has been hair growth and combating a dry scalp because it's winter and in Canada it gets really cold. I need all the hydration I can get. But I honestly just love how cute the packaging is, how good my hair feels, and how you can customize the color of your shampoo and conditioner so you can match it back to your bathroom. They also name it, so mine says Function of Alexandra. I got Wendy a matching shampoo and conditioner color to her bathroom. I love this, how her shampoo literally matches the aesthetic of her bathroom, and it says Function of Wendy. If you want gorgeous hair and shampoo bottles that match the aesthetic of your bathroom, click the link down below in my description box for 20% off. I find that lights in rental bathrooms are especially bad. I don't know why the bathroom, but there are so many inexpensive options, and I would just recommend getting a $40, new light fixture, switching it out. It's worth the money, especially if you're going to be in a rental for a few years like Wendy is. I found this gorgeous one on Amazon. I will link it down below. I'm pretty sure it was under $40. I will correct myself here if I'm wrong. And what a difference. Like, the other one was rusting. It was just kind of old school. This one looks modern and sleek. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. So Wendy has this awesome kind of bookcase storage solution on this side of the bathroom. And this is where she literally has all of her toiletries because there's no closed storage in this room. I knew that we had to cover this somehow. There are tons of companies that sell IKEA doors. The IKEA Billy bookcase even has doors you can buy at IKEA to put on it. This, unfortunately, is not a Billy bookcase. We don't know where it came from. So I called up my good friend, I called up my good friend, Danny Berger, and I was like, hey, can you make me a door? And she was like, yeah, I'll make you 2. And then she just made me a couple doors. They're so beautiful. I just put some inexpensive Amazon black sleek hardware on them, and we painted them to match this accent wall so it kind of ties in all together. So let's get these installed and see how they look. Danny? Ooh. So grateful. You're my door maker. Let me know how I can help you. We have knobs, handles, whatever they're called. We have handles. Guys, look at this cabinet. So when I first scouted Wendy's bathroom, I was like, oh my gosh, Wendy, that's brilliant. She has a Google Home, like a Google Mini in her bathroom. I'm constantly bringing my phone into the bathroom when I'm having a shower to like listen to music. So I'm definitely going to invest in either like a Google Dot or an Amazon Mini and do this hack. So she has it hanging up on the wall, which is great, but it's in this blue carrier that doesn't really like go with the vibe that we're going for. So on Amazon, I found this outlet mount for a Google Home Mini. It's just gonna make it look neater, tidier, and now we have all of this beautiful white wall space. We're gonna figure this out together. I think that you put, yeah, so this is where the Google Home sits. And then you take your USB, you plug it in here, and then you wrap the cord in these little notches like this. It's a lot of cord. And you plug it in like that. Look at that. It's just more tucked away, and I think that everyone needs these in their bathrooms. Good hack, Wendy. One of the easiest ways to update your bathroom, your rental bathroom, is to change all of the hardware. Obviously, we got permission from Wendy's landlord to do all of these things, so make sure you check with your landlord first. But I'm replacing the toilet paper holder, and I'm also adding in a new little hand towel
hook on this wall. She didn't have one before, she didn't have a hand towel, she just had bath towels. So this will be a nice addition, and it matches back really nicely to the natural wood and pairs really well with that sage green wall. This is one of my most favorite bathroom hacks. You don't even have to redecorate your whole bathroom. Anyone can do this. Get a bundle of eucalyptus like this. Let's open it. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, so you wanna take some butcher's twine and you just wanna wrap it all down here. Now you can cut off the elastic. So you have this cute little bundle, and then you wanna hang it onto your shower head, and your shower will smell like a spa. Easiest, most fun hack, and it looks really beautiful too. And now for the finishing touches. Okay, I'm done. It's time to reveal the space to Wendy. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put on some ambient music and then we will bring her in. Hey Google, do you play like shower music?
Playing shower on Spotify.
Just shower? Hey Google, do you like this bathroom makeover?
I'd tell you if I knew.
She'd tell me if she knew. Well, guess what? Hey Google, play a shower playlist.
Okay.
Walk.
You know there's like a lift, right? Where's
Just
she at?
step up a little bit.
Okay.
Yep. And then close the door behind you.
This bathroom better be a step up.
I want you to picture what this bathroom looked like before.
It's just a lot of white.
A lot of white. Yeah.
Yeah, like you could do surgery or something.
That's so true. Okay. Well, I hope I warmed it up for you.
Mm-hmm.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my goodness! It's so spa-like! Wow! Oh my gosh! The whole time I was thinking, like, will they put in wood? Will they put in wood?
Of course, because it's you.
Wow!
Two-tone thing going on.
Yes, yes.
We put a door.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
It's so smooth. This makes it look so much more homey.
And I feel like it actually makes it look bigger.
Weirdly. Yeah.
Right?
I guess like the visual declutter.
Yeah.
is
Eucalyptus
Thanks.
with your Function of Beauty shampoo,
Oh, thank you.
which matches your bathroom.
Layers. So many layers. No, I really do treat my shower time as like my
Good.
There's too many things to speak to at once.
Oh, also, your Google Home thing was great.
Okay.
But this is just like tucked away now.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you.
I like that we're hugging in your bathroom.
I know.
Of all places.
That's what Alexandra can do. She'll make you hug in the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Thanks for having me in your space.
Thanks for being here. And
Thanks. And thank you guys for watching, and thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video and giving Wendy some amazing goodies as well as me. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of this makeover was. Go give Wendy a follow. What's your next video going up?
oh, I think I'm doing like dressing like Billie Eilish, but I'm doing like
So fun!
lots of DIYs. It's so weird because
So
the
fun.
DIY is so high energy, and then my bathroom, I'm like, need
Calm.
peace.
Peace in the bathroom. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.